Welcome to our first Python tutorial video. Today, we'll explore Python variables and data types, a complete beginner's guide. In Python, variables are like containers used to store data. You can think of them as labels for values. Variables are created simply by assigning a value to a name using the equals sign. For example, you can write x equals 10 to store the number 10 in a variable named x, or name equals Alice to store the text Alice in the variable name. Python automatically detects the type of data stored in a variable. When naming variables, follow these rules. The name must start with a letter or an underscore but not a number. Variable names are case sensitive, so name and name are treated as two different variables. Also, avoid using reserved keywords in Python, such as if, for, or print, as these have special meanings in the language. Data types determine the kind of data a variable holds. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly, it's determined automatically based on the value assigned. For instance, integers are whole numbers like 10 or -5, floats are decimal numbers like 3.14, strings represent text, and booleans store true or false values. Python also supports more advanced data types, such as lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. A list is an ordered collection of items that can be modified, while a tuple is similar but immutable. Dictionaries store data as key-value pairs, making them ideal for structured data. Lastly, sets are collections of unique items with no specific order. Python allows you to convert between different data types using functions like int, float, and scr. For example, if you have a number stored in a variable x, you can use scr x to convert it into a string. This is particularly useful when working with mixed types of data. Here are some common operations you'll perform with variables. You can assign a value to a variable, update its value by performing operations like addition, and check its type using the type function. These basic operations will come in handy as you start building Python programs. In summary, variables are used to store data, while data types determine the kind of data they hold. Python's dynamic typing simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on solving problems rather than managing data types. Mastering variables and data types is a fundamental step toward writing efficient and effective Python code. For more videos, please visit the channel and go to respective playlist. And please subscribe the channel.